Welcome to the 𝐿𝐵𝐸 channel. I want to discuss altcoins with you before anyone else. I have two bullish, absolutely exciting projects, exciting meme coins I want to discuss with you, which I think can do really, really well in 2026. Both of them on Solana, and the good thing about Solana and just in general is that you can put stop losses, you can put your take profits. If I remember, I'll put like a link to one of my videos on how to do that. So none of this is financial advice. Let's go to the chart now. So Troll on Solana. Those who follow my channel way back when knew I kind of messed up by not putting a lot of money as I wanted into Troll on Ethereum. When I called it myself, I called it 6 months before anybody else called it pretty much. Well, I mean, there weren't so many other YouTubers and ex-influencers then. And I was kind of gaining in my own kind of confidence of my calls, and you're going to see that in the next kind of like going forward on this channel. Doing my own research, presenting it to you, and you decide if you want to buy or not. Don't blame me if you lose money, and don't thank me if you make money. I'm just showing you the opportunity, and I think Troll, because it's one of the 4chan memes, really, really OG. Both of them are 4chan OG memes, and the thing is I like about these is that they're really, really old, and the fact that they stood the test of time shows that there's still interest in these memes, and they rise to the top. And I think that's going to happen again. No guarantee, of course, highly speculative, but I think there are so many rubbish projects out there in the crypto space, especially on Solana. Some projects don't even last minutes or hours. This has been lasting like pretty much almost 2 decades. Like you're talking like 2008, 18 years. You could have like a baby. And yeah, so this isn't like my micro caps here. You can see on here, $108 million market cap. So like early on, it went 14 to like 100. So what's that? A 6x already. Okay, so it might cool off. You decide, if you want to buy, what price you want to buy, when you want to sell. I think this could go into the billions of market cap, and I'm not joking. This could do. We've seen so many projects have gone into the billions. It's just a matter of time. And I'm showing you before anybody else. Make sure you write this down. Put it on your phone. Put it on an Excel spreadsheet or something. Or when you get paid, maybe you want to put in $10, $20, $50, $100 per month into the coins that I want to discuss with you, or whatever, or just do your own research into the coins you want. But I think these two are the ones to definitely have a look at. So it does have a website. To be honest, I think they could do more with the website, but maybe they will in the future. So it'll be one to look at. The other one is called RageGuy. Again, doing really, really good numbers. Pretty much the end of, start of the month, it was at a 76k market cap, and it's already into the millions already. It went up to like 5 million. So if you'd have caught it, congratulations to you. But I think this could still do well. So if it catches up to Troll where it is now, roughly a 2 million market cap to $100 million market cap, that's a 50x quick math. But yeah, this is not only is this a 4chan OG meme, so you had Pepe, Wojak, Troll, and you have RageGuy. So they're all kind of really, really well known. And if you feel like you've missed your Pepe's, you've missed Wojak, and now like Troll, because like as I said, they have Ethereum, and it's like everything's gone on to pretty much Solana these days. I think Solana, Ethereum are the main ones for memes. But I think these ones, which I'm going to put the contact addresses in the description below once it's on YouTube, and I'll put in my Patreon. Again, you can support me on Patreon as well. Links in the description below. Get early access to videos. I've got a Telegram group there, so where I kind of discuss coins. There are some coins that I talk about in there that do like a 2 or 3x in like a matter of hours, but they never make it to a video. So this is the kind of things that you're missing out on. And I will be launching my own Discord. but I'll talk about that maybe in another video. So Rage Comics as well. So this has some kind of fun user utility. It's not really a utility. Come on, it's a meme coin, but it's a well-known meme coin. There's so many projects that go out there. Some that I've covered. You know, where you take your money and you get out. But I think this can really do well. So it's really well known. Nothing's guaranteed, of course, but at least they're having fun with this. They're like bringing back this meme, bring it back to the attention, and you want to be ahead of people who kind of see this kind of late, or you got your normal kind of crypto people who sees this because this is the correct contract address for RageGuy. It's going to be like linked with Moonshot. So when's going to be on the exchanges? They can't be like copycats. There might be some kind of copycats that come in that will come in to say, oh no, this is the correct RageGuy. You do get these ones, but this is the one that's been around for ages, and there's a lot of buzz and community, like especially on X, who like RageGuy, and I think this could do really well. Time will tell if it does a 50x. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think it's going to do a 30x, 50x, 10x, 5x, 100x, 1000x? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video.